Hello pupils, today I'm going to show you the steps in solving a word problem. Let's look at this word problem today. Before we write down anything, we need to plan our working space so that our working is clear and tidy. Use your ruler to draw a line here. The space on the right of this line will be for your working, and the space to the left will be for your model and number sentences. Today we'll be using a problem-solving method called stack model. In the stack model, we draw our rectangle blocks vertically so that it can be compared with another item in the problem. Let's look at the first sentence. A table and 4 similar chairs cost $180. We now ask ourselves this: which word should we take note to allow us to put this into a model? Well, that's right. A table, 4 similar chairs, and $180. Now, with this information, we can actually draw the first part of our model. We should start drawing our model always on the left-hand side of this. Chair, 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 and table. And for these chairs and one table cost $180. Notice that I give some space here because I do not know how long each chair will be and whether it's longer than the table. Now let's proceed to the next sentence. The table costs $35 more than each chair. We notice the words more than. So, and thus we take note which item is more than the other. In this case, table is 35 more than each chair. Now we can start to draw our next part of our model. We note that the chair is shorter because table is more, so it looks like this. And obviously, the 35 more will be here. Now, let's look at the last part of our problem. What was the cost of each chair? Double underline what to denote this is the question, and underline what we are supposed to find. Now, we should always denote a question mark in what we are supposed to find. In this case, we need to find one chair, so we put one question mark in one of the chair blocks. Now, we start to solve our problem. What do we do? Looking at the model, we notice that if we take $35 away from the total, we get 5 equal blocks. So, in this case, we must use pen. So, notice that we need to do our working here. And take note that we need to transfer the value of our working correctly back to where we're supposed to write our number sentences. Next, we note that in order to find our unknown, we need to take our value from the earlier sentence to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we start to write the next number sentence. Now, using this space to do our working again, we have this Take note how I use my fingers to denote that I do not copy the wrong value. And there we are. We know our unknown. And it's best to denote what we are looking for and check if we have finished. Now we can finally transfer our answer to this. Well, there's something else that is missing. The cost, and require us to put a dollar sign. And finally, we have a final check of our number sentences, making sure that we use the correct value, and then we are done. Thank you.